Right, so we've done all year prep in the car, getting ready after all the smashing up we've been doing, so we thought we'd have a bit of a fun winter challenge. And someone suggested we tried Surstromming, which is a Swedish delicacy, apparently fermented fish, and apparently doesn't smell very nice. So this is the only 4 in the team who are actually man enough to try it. Us guys, the rest of them out here are all wimps. So, are you ready, Josie?
Yeah.
Okay, I think apparently if you get this stuff on your fingers, it's really stinky, and then you smell them, your fingers smell of fish for the next 3 weeks, which I don't want to do. So, let's try. Do you want to open it or what?
No, you can open
We're picking up.
Do you reckon you can actually do it then?
I don't know. I've never really tried anything like it, so.
I'm strangely scared.
I think you all are.
I'm happy to drive fast in the car. I don't want to. I can't get these things on. This is the hardest.
Entertaining video this is.
Okay, apparently it squirts.
That's fine.
It's not squirting. It smells like a stink bomb. Can you smell it?
Oh my word.
Oh!
I can't smell anything.
No, I can't. I think the wind must be going your way.
Yeah. Oh, the water as well.
Ugh.
That is.
Imagine drinking it.
No, it's not as bad as the
Oh,
toilet.
I can smell it a bit now.
Oh,
Wow. Oh man, that's really
that was so bad.
I can't smell nothing. Oh gosh.
Oh, that looks ran.
Oh my word, that stinks so bad.
Oh, look at it. Do you want to smell it?
No,
Oh
I don't
my
want
life, even the smell, I'm just like urgent.
I don't want
Do
to
you want to smell it?
I could smell it from here. God, flipping
Right.
out.
I'll put a bit on that plate for you guys.
Smells like fun. Smells like fun.
That's not good. That's a big.
Oh my days.
How is that a delicacy?
Oh.
I'm never going to speak to Swedish people again.
Oh my word.
Oh, do you guys want to come and have a smell?
The smell's gone now.
I can't.
No, I haven't.
Oh no, it hasn't. Oh.
Just have a smell of it.
It
Come on.
smells like Harry's room.
Oh.
Come on, have a smell.
I'll smell it.
It does just smell like fishy fish.
Smells like fish.
Oh, there's something wrong with you. Right, you chop a bit out for you guys then, ready? You've got to eat. Oh.
It smells so bad.
Oh, it's getting worse.
I think Josie's got COVID.
Smells like fish. I don't know.
Oh, it's so soft.
Josie, do you have that bit?
No,
Oh my god. So bad.
Is that what you didn't? Are we having something to wash it down?
Do
We're
that
just eating it straight.
I'm not picking this up on my
Oh my days.
Can I have the fork?
Oh, man.
Actually,
Drop the bigger bit, the
I'll
smaller
have
bit.
glove.
Go on, you can have that fork.
I don't think I've ever smelled anything so
Can I have
bad in
gloves?
my
I'm gonna
whole,
have to pick it up in my hands.
My school's
my
made
whole
worse.
life. That is the worst thing ever.
Just pass me
Can
the
you
glove.
pass him a glove, Josie?
Don't chuck it. Don't do.
Oh.
Why you can't have so much of it?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to cut you a little bit.
You'll go on the count of 3.
Stacey's going for it.
Go on, Josie.
Why is it hairy?
I'm just going for it. Okay. 1, 2. Oh.
Just get this ready in case you need it.
No. Oh my word.
How is he eating it? It's the bone in it that's annoying. Other than that, it's not too
I
bad.
haven't.
Can I have a of it?
No, you're still eating it. What's wrong with you?
It's the bone that's annoying. I can't get the bone out of it.
Oh my.
I don't want to put it in my mouth.
Oh, you're not having it yet, Josie?
No.
Eat a bit. Go on. What's now some Coke?
When it's in your mouth, it tastes quite nice actually.
Shut up. No, it doesn't.
Tastes like mum's dinner. sick.
You need to take the taste of my mouth.
The taste doesn't go away, it just keeps on hitting you.
Can you get my water out of the car, please?
Is that the next bit?
I need to swallow it.
I don't think
You've not finished it yet?
No, I
I
spent
don't think I can do it.
That's such a tiny bit.
You've got to stop retching.
I'm not doing it on purpose.
Oh, I'm actually crying. Oh,
Did
my
you eat a
word.
piece?
No.
Yeah.
Did you swallow it?
Yeah. I've chewed on it for a while. It tastes quite nice when it's in your mouth. The smell's bad.
Harry, have another bit.
What
I'm
is
good for
wrong
another
with
one.
you?
Go on, have another.
I've used my glove now, I can't. Oh, you can throw up the water. Oh, I'm gonna go for another one.
Every time I put my gloves in my face, the smell.
Oh, it's smelling.
Why are you trying it again?
No. Jordan.
I swallowed it. Right, I think that's it. Can someone pour us one of the rums?
There's the bottle gone.
Where's the bottom?
Oh, the smell is so bad.
Pick that up behind me, look.